Hey, good morning all. Today, the agenda of this live stream session is to discuss about entire functionality of Bookshare applications, what we developed up till now. As we know that in my previous stream, I already discussed about the objectives of Bookshare application. It's an e-commerce based applications, but the agenda is not to generate only a revenue out of it, but to help out the students who may not afford the books. At the same time, user, after migrating to the next class, the unused books, they can donate, they can sell it in the reasonable price, and obviously everyone will be get benefits by this. Instead of wasting the books, if you can share them in the reasonable price, so that money can be utilized in the for different reasons. It's not only about the books. We were targeting to the garments, we will targeting to the even publishers also can able to publish their books. And overall, considering all these agendas, we develop a Bookshare application. As I discussed, this e-commerce based application means a user can able to search all the items listed, in this case books listed, and then ability to add them onto the carts. It means ability to search, ability to book, and ability to pay. In any e-commerce applications, these are the three key features user experience, so that it's a click away to search, book, and pay. So Bookshare application is also having these features. After my presentation, Team Axiom will explain you the entire functionality of this Bookshare application. In this case, user means who want to sell a book as well as who want to buy a book. So there will not be different to users, though sometimes he may be a buyer and sometimes he may be a seller as well. So user can be a seller, user can be a buyer, right? Obviously, to perform for the identification reason, user have to give his all the credentials and log into the system. He will get the verified links over the email, so that the accounts can be cross-verified with a verified email. These authenticated users can able to upload the details of the books which you want to sell or donate. So the details of the book, the photographs, the price details, the author details, the condition of a book, the price expected, or he wants to donate, that all the details will be given by the user if he is a seller, and then upload all those details in the Bookshare application. Internally, once seller upload this all the information, all the rights of on which price that book has to be sell need to be decided by the admin. As per the given data and the condition of the book, administrator keep the rights to negotiate on the price with the seller, and on that negotiated price certain commissions will be added. That will be the fixed commission, and in this manner that book, after verifying the details, that book is available to the seller or to the buyer with all the details uploaded by the seller and the price decided by the administrator. Now, once the similar kind of process is for the buyer, as I told you, here in this case we are not distinguishing between the buyer and the seller. They both are the same users. They can perform both the things. They can buy and sell as well, right? The only thing, if you are a seller, then when you perform the login, and if you are a buyer, right, and obviously there are the books which are available for sale to you, that are available, that obviously categories are also there, which you can search by the category, and then you can able to buy the books, add to the cart, and confirm your buying. Once you confirm that buying, right, that notification goes to the seller, as well as the administrator is like knowing all these things, right? So once that he got the notifications, that seller have to courier it either to the administrator address or directly to the address given by the seller. Here in this case, the money transactions will be done only when that is called a mode called as cash on delivery, because obviously every user want to know the condition, what is displayed at the time of buying. He may want to check the conditions, everything. One more thing I want to tell you here, the buyer and the seller have to accept the legal terms and conditions, because you know e-commerce business need a faith or belief on the system. In case of any arbitrary, likewise, if the buyer won't get that goods or the book as per the descriptions given, he will raise the complaint against that, and administrator will give all the rights to return that all the amount what he had given, and vice versa. So money transactions will be done between the buyer and the administrator. So obviously that directly will not go to the seller's account, and after verifying these all the things, whether the buyer get that all the items in the proper condition and the proper state, and at the same time that the contents displayed are not like what I can say, it was on the same state what is displayed over there. And then the transactions will be once everything is verified, then the said amount, the agreement amount, will be transferred to the account of the seller. and in this manner the entire transactions will be finished. Once the buyer confirms the interest in the buying, the tracking means at what phase that transaction is, whether it is courier to the buyer accepted that, pay the amount, that all the notifications will be reached to the buyer as well as seller, so they can in this manner at which stage this, obviously it's a transaction between the two users, buyer and the seller, an administrator having a vigilance of all these kind of steps and the transactions. So every report, every transactions will be get notified by the administrator. He have all the rights reserved with him to deny the permission to log in, or deny the, or if any case of arbitrary is there or some complaint raised, he can even able to take a legal actions against this all the users. E-commerce application have to assure the users that everything has to be legally done. At the same time, their money, their goods are secure, and then only the growth of that e-commerce applications will be assured. We had taken care of these all the aspects of security and legal terms and conditions while dealing with the books and the financial transactions. My team will be demonstrating these all the concepts what I'm discussing with you, how it is online can be done in the BOOKSHARE applications that they're going to discuss. One more thing I want to tell you, while developing in the development perspective, while developing these modules, once the agenda is set that these modules and these user stories will be developed in that particular sprint. Mostly we define the sprint of 15 days. Within these 15 days, what user stories and how much story points as per the availability of team, we take that user stories, allocate to the specific developers, designers, UI UX developers, backend developers, API developers, and then once they develop that user story and push the code for QA as per the acceptance criteria defined and explained by the project manager, QA will test that. So the role of quality analyst for the delivery of the application is much more important. Quality analyst plays a vital role after understanding the objective of a user story, right? He will play a role of mediator sort of to make more clarity on the as per the acceptance criteria, and at the same of testing also. He'll be responsible to get the product and the model delivered as per the descriptions and the acceptance criteria. And then once everything is finalized and get a green signal, then it will be deployed onto the server. So this way of agile methodology of development need to be followed, so that as per the expectations, as per the features and the stories listed in the sprint, everybody will perform a role to get it delivered as per the expectations. And then finally, as I told you, okay, the Git is synced with a CI/CD pipeline, code integration and code deployment pipeline. So we have a QA links, right, where the QA will test that. After that, we have a staging environments where the project managers can be demonstrating this all the stuff, or the clients also can able to test that application. So in this manner, every developed module can be tested, and module by module it will be deployed onto the server, and probably accepted, all accepted things will go to the live server. So everybody have his own responsibility. Owners will discuss with the product managers and the team leads regarding the what in the scrum meets, what are the backlogs they will be taking for that particular sprint. Project managers, as per the availability of a team, will accept that or guide the product owners not to take much as per the availability of the team and the and the velocity or the other factors will be considered, and they will take the backlogs in that sprint, right? And then after that, it will set for the development, and then after QA, again it will be set for the retrospective to cross check whether all the backlogs which are set for that sprint are delivered or not. If it is delivered, then next sprint will be started in the similar manner, the grooming sessions with the team, and then set the backlog agenda and the sprint planning and sprint sprint will be start, and then again the retrospective. So overall, I'm trying to give you the way of development, how the model wise it will be whether first of all it's an analysis phase, there is a designing phase, right? Every screen, right, will be designed as per the expectations of the functionality. It will be approved by the product owner and the clients as well. In the retrospective, every sprint have a planning, have a development, and have a retrospective, and then go to the next sprint over there. Let us give an opportunity to Team Axiom. They'll be demonstrating today how these all the as per the expectations over there. Here I want to add one thing. As an administrator, he is a super user of the system. He can list out, he will get the list of all the users registered. He will keep all the rights to deny the permissions. He will every transactions, all the books uploaded for the sell, for the donation, he can able to list. He can able to see all the transactions done between the buyer and the seller. In case of any arbitrary, as I told you, he will be the key person. If somebody like key person to scrutinize everything, to give a proper solution to if any case of any arbitrary is there. So he's a super user, administrating everything over there, and then he will get the graphical visualization of all the stuffs, whether there is an inventory, how many books are available. Once the book is not available over there, the quantity will be 0 for that book over there. Sometimes he will remove that book also, which is from the display for the buyer. So these are all the kind of role will be performed by a administrator over here. Let us discuss this all the things practically. What the stuff I discussed with you in the Bookshare applications with the Team Axiom. Over to Team Axiom. Please explain and demonstrate all these functionalities what we discussed up till now. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I hope I'm audible, sir. Now I'm sharing my screen, sir. So, good morning, everyone. There is we are working on one platform, that is Bookshare project, and that's everyone those want to donate the and sell their books. So that is will be very helpful for those who want to can't afford the buy books, new books, and we want to share the books. So by that person, we will create that platform, that is Bookshare project. So here it is, the Bookshare project login page, and I am today I'll be explaining to how the Bookshare project will be work. So and what is the functionality of that. So here it is a login form. So I already created the one user. So we just log in itself. So I just writing my email ID in that. So I just enter my email ID in that. That is nixnicose@gmail.com, and now I am entering the my password, that is class@10. So here it is, it's showing my password, and I also click on the remember me, that whenever I come in this browser, so it will be remember that password as well as the email ID. So when you click on the login page, so it will be redirect to the that overall the main page of Bookshare project, and in that we see here that is saving the information about the Bookshare project, and it is also showing that is remove the darkness by giving the light of knowledge. And donating books, it is a wonderful way to contribute to education, literacy, and knowledge sharing. And education is the most powerful weapon which you can to change the world, and it is a best way to spread the light. Knowledge is the sharing the gift of the books with the who thought by the learning. And in that we showing the all about the Bookshare in that page we uh, showing the all about the Bookshare project details, that is sending donation, join us, events, and one of the topics, that is vision, and also sharing the some knowledge, that is giving the some example. And it also showing how the this work apps will be work. It is first we need to first the register, it's register, and after the in that we having the two points, that is selling books as well as donating books. By using that, a user can sell the books as otherwise buy the books. And here it is some points in that, and here it is a uh, footer of this site. For going that the about us page, in that about us page we showing the some details of the about, and also showing the details of the platform, Bookshare project platform. And apart from that, here it is the donor page. In that donor page we showing the one in that page we showing the donors profiles, like here it is showing the as Nikose, Swapnil, and admin. There is a three types of user we having the in our platform. And here it is a blog page. In that we showing the some types of blocks that can be user can uploaded the blocks that will be appeared in this page. And here it is the main page, that is a book. So by using that book we just click on this, and in that we showing the three types of points, that is bookstore, sell book, and donate book. If the user can click on the books bookstore project uh, points, so it will be showing that page. And if the user can click on the cell form, so it will be showing that cell form. And it also showing the previous information, like just like for username, mobile number, and email ID. And if we go for that donate form, it will be showing that donate form. So let's go for that cell form. First we first we just selling the one book. So I just write one title, that is we just writing the one title, that is story little. I just write one title, that is a story leader, and one some description like description. I just write one, and also I enter the that is pin code, and after that we choose the city, and after we just uploading the one image in that. So I just uploading one image. So here it is, I just uploading that image, and also I enter in the number of books, whatever the number of books user can sell. So I just entering the 3 books, and also entering the number of price. So I just entering the 100, and when we click on that submit button, so that will be all that information that we put it in these forms, that all information will be go to the that's admin that user page, user profile page. In that we having the username, edit page, my books, view, notification, and also we showing the logout button. And in that we here we can see that we just sell the one books, that is it showing the that title, as well as we also showing the that image book, book of image. And we just adding the click on the my book, so it will be this is the my book page. And if we click on the notification page, so it will be showing the notification. And here it is the edit page. By this edit page which we can edit our page. And here it is the add to cart page. If we click go to the bookstore page and we click on that. So I just give the one demo. Apart from this, we just overflow that all the process. And here it is. And here it is. It's showing the one status that is pending. It means that we just sending the all the pages request to the admin, but admin not accept that all the requested. When the admin will be accept that all the requested, so that all the requested page will be showing here. That is notification page, and it will also showing the price. It will also showing the price of book that admin will give to us. And if we want to accept that all the price, if we accept that price, so it if we just click on the accept button. So when we click on the accept button, then the book, this book will be showing to the bookstore pages. Otherwise we click on the denied page, so it will be this book will be deleted. And here it is all about the user page, and we just go for the one demo. So we just click on that accept page and go to the, so here it is showing that book. So when we click on that buy card, so it will showing the one card in that. See, here it is. Here it is. We added the address, that is a user address. And if the user want to add the another address, by clicking on the add button, we can user can add the another address. And when we in this page we showing the card. And when we click the continue button, so that all the information about that product, so it will be shown here. And all the information will be shown here. By if the user can click on the place order button, so if you click on the place order, so and after that we click on the checkout button, so it will be showing the all the payment process in that. So we choose the default, that is cash on delivery. So and also showing right hand side, that is all the product price. And when we click on the confirm order, so it will be, so wait a minute, I just log in. There is another option, 1 minute. Just when there is some, login, and just login itself, that is user also. And when you click on the password, and when you click on the login, so all the process will be same. And after that, here it is. And when the user can remove, so also remove that product. So we go for that, go to the admin part. So here it is the admin part. Before that, we need to check out the MongoDB, that we can store all our the data of this process. So here it is our MongoDB server, and in that we added the add to cart. When the user can add the card, so it will be showing all the information, that card information in the add card button. And in here it is a block page. If the admin can store add the new block, so by this block session, that all the information will be stored in the block page. And here it is the products. If the user can add the new products, so all that the products will be stored in the products. And here it is a sign up. So by using the whatever the user can log in, or admin can log in, so it will be shown. And here it is a visualization. By using that visualization part, we can showing the all the information as viewing in the graphical format. That uh, by that using, we can create that visualization. And just we going for that admin part. So here it is the admin part. And we also already created one admin email id and password. So I just write that admin email id. So here it is admin, that is admin@gmail.com. And we write enter the password, that is class@10. That password, that admin as well as user, both are the same. And when you click on that page, in here it is the admin page. And in that we add, when the user can send a request to the admin, so all the that sale book and donate book, all the information will be shown here. So here it is the simple way. And let's go for that backend part. I just some explaining some what is the backend of this site. Here it is the backend. And here it is all about the folders. And just, so here it is the backend. In that backend part, backend folder, we store access all the backend about user as well as admin. And here it is a bookstore project store. In that we just uploaded the images, like some charts and some user icon, like that. And here it is the admin part, that is a base latest. And here it is the front end part of the user. So here it is, we just view the overflow. That is a here it is the admin controller, that all the folder related to the admin, that admin can log in, update his profile as well as change his password. And here it is a card control, here it is a product controller. So by here it is related to the user part. By using that user can create a card, or accept that card, or delete that card. So all or the uh, tasks will be performed by that folder, that is product controller. And here it is a user controller. By user controller, here it is, user can log in, user can create the password, user can sell the books, user can donate the books. So all related that information will be shown by this user controller. And after that, here it is the we created the one router folder. In that router folder, we created the admin routes, card routes, product routes, and user routes. And just I just created that all the routes here. And when you click on this, so that page will be go to the controller, and all the process will be done. And when we go for that admin part, so here it is the admin part. So in that we created that all the process related to the backend, we just fetch that data into the admin part. So here it is that admin. And in that admin, we created the blog page, books page, folder, admin setting, similar to that, and transition some pages. And we just give the one example. So mm, so just clicking on that pages, and here it is a sign in page. So here it is a sign in page of the admin part. In that we just fetching all over the data that we have, that admin can log in and admin can get all the information related to that. So in that we, in this page, we just fetching that data, and we just entering the one email id and password. We just comparing that all the information, and we just fetch that data to the backend, and backend will be connecting that all. And if there is the match, so admin can be logging, otherwise the data, that password will be not match, so it's showing the error. So here it is a login form, and just here it is the change. We also adding the one that is change password. So here it is a change password, and here it is the block password. By using that block, this page, the admin can upload the blocks on his site. And here it is a book. By using that book, we can showing the books as to the users by selecting the particular city. By that, we can filter the books. And here it is the dashboard. All the information shown in the dashboard, that is also showing the graph, and that is all the total number, what is the book available, and how much the topics will be covered, and how much the pending requests, or how much the uh, procedure pending. That all the information will be showing in the dashboard. And here it is the we added the feedback page. In that feedback, the user, what are the user, different types of user can give the feedback to our apps. So that will be all the information will be showing in the that feedback page. And here it is the order page. In that, what are the types of order we can done in this app by using this app, so that all the order related inquiry will be shown in this page. And here it is a setting page. In that setting page, we give the user, give the some information related to the means admin can update his profile as well as change his password. So that all the information showing that page, that is setting page. And here it is the transition page, that if the transition is going to be offline or online, that all the procedure will be shown in this page. And here it is the request page. So in this page, that it's showing the sale form detail, as well as it's showing the donate books. It's showing the all over the quantity, as well as sale book, as well as the donate books. So by using that page, a request page, we can showing that all the information to the admin. And here it is a D page. So that all about the backend part of the user. So we just going for that demo. So here it is. And if here it is the sale form. So sale form with here it's showing the user price, that user can see into the admin. When the user, when the admin can enter the, here it is enter the 50 value, that is rs 50 rupees 50s. So that will be when we click, when the click on the update button, so that price will be go to the user part, and it's showing to the user in notification. When I click and we going for that, and we just go for here. So we just wait. We just first log in, just because of server error, that page will be reloading many times. We just log in first, and just login email id, that is next Nikose, and just password plus @10. We just check one time and just remember, and then login. So here it is showing that 50 price. And when the user can accept this price, so that book will be show in the bookstore. So I just click on the accept, and just going for the bookstore project, just click bookstore. So here it is showing the that books as well as price, and just going for this. And here it is the donate book. So user not added the price here, so it will be showing the default blank. And if the we added the admin values, if we enter the 50, so it and send and update the but click on the send and update button, so it will be redirect to the user page. And in that we showing the one message. It show when you click on the send button, it's showing the value to the user, as well as it's showing the one email id. It's sent to the message up to of the particular email id of the user. So and here it is the dashboard. We can just we didn't add any books, so it will be default showing the 0. And by using and we just created and we just get the one visualization showing the data all over the visualization by using the, so we can get the default price. In that it's showing the progress related to month with in January month, what is the progress of the book. Means some books are buy books, or default books, or pending books. That all over the data will be showing in that graph. And here we just give the one static data. That's why it's showing this. If we click on that, we if we want to uh, give the particular month data, so by clicking on this we can get the also the particular month data. Here it is, that showing the all the progress, what is the progress of this. And when we click on the books, so here it is showing the books. Here test 1 and test 2, that is the default books, so it will not showing the. And here it is, we just added the some new books, so it will be showing the books images, as well as it showing the story books, that is title. And also showing the, that is this books is a sale books, otherwise this books is the donate books. That all the process will be shown here. And here it is the order page. In that we added the order, what is the types of order, that is we added the, that is cash on delivery. And also showing the name of products, sorry, name of that user, that is Samir. And also showing the quantity, and also showing the order id. And otherwise here it is showing the transition. Means what is the transition, by which types of payment we get, that is UPI or cash related to that. And also showing the types, and also showing the date and amount. And here it is a block page. By using that block page, user sorry, admin can upload the back blocks. And by clicking on the enter button, so that block will be uploaded and showing into the block page. So in that page we will be showing the block page. And next one, that is feedback. So in that feedback will be showing the user feedback. And here it is a setting page. Here it is also showing them all the related showing the information related to the admin. If the admin can choose the one image here, we just click on that image and choose this. And we just entering. And when we click on the update page, so this image and information will be updated. Click on this, and we need to log in again, so we just click on this and just log in. So just wait a minute, there is some error. Just wait. We need to create that. Just restart our server, take it backend, and after that just log in. Just wait. There is some updation when we clicking on, so was server not responding. Just clicking and just entering. Just check to the backend and checking all the information. In that we just controller and go for the admin controller. And in that we checking our routes and the admin. And we just just checking that path. So here it is Thunder. By using the Thunder, we can check our routes. So just checking. So here it is already. I'm just sending. So here it is token already created. So just we need to go for this. We need to just restart our server. So just it takes some time. Just wait and just wait. We need to restart our. So just by clicking the right side and open the new terminal and just write npm run dev. By using that command, that code will be run. It takes some time. Just wait because of a white. So here it is. It's showing the one sites. By clicking on that, we can go this page. It take time. So by we just clicking on the inspect and checking the what is the types, what is the error in that. So it's showing the one types in that. So we just going for that. We just data flow, that is admin, and click on this and just going for that, and then this, and in that it's showing the one error. So we just commit that code and just check that graph. So here it is. This is not a. So in that we just need to this and go that data chart. Click on this, comment all the code. Just clicking. Just wait. So here we didn't add the that bar chart, so that is an error. We just going for that data chart, graph, and data chart, and uncomment that all the code. So I think this will be work. It's still showing the errors, so just checking that, and data 2, and just clicking. I'm just getting that page. And it's showing. Just wait. And we're checking that problem, so just wait. Just wait. I just restart my server. Just wait because very just wait, I just doing that and run that code. Before that, we need to close that tab and just go and open in the Visual Studio Code, and here it is open. And after that, just admin and open the new terminal. Where it is showing, and just run the server, and also we need to run the backend part of this. So we just click on that backend and also run that backend. So just run this, and by clicking on it, just wait. It takes some time, just wait. So here it is showing, and we just log in. So here it is showing the error password. Just with checking that email ID and password. So it's showing still error, so we need to create the another user. So just going for that under, and we need to create the new user. So here it is, and just post and send the request. So on that, we need to create the admin 1 2 and send the request. So it's showing the error, so just wait, and we need to change the that URL. That is user. So we need to also add that name, and also add the email ID 1 2 and just post. So we need to add a comma, and just checking this. Just checking the particles. So here it is admin. So there is a issue in password field. So in that, here it is a setting page. So just upload this and update this, and for this we need to log in itself. So and when the admin can click on that logout button, so admin can be logged out, and it will be redirected to the admin page. So that all about the backend part of Bookshare project, as well as the user part of Bookshare project. So thank you very much, sir. That's it.
Hey, thank you, Swapnil. Hey, thank you, Swapnil and the Team Axiom. You did a fabulous job to demonstrate entire application of Bookshare application. For all the users, this application is designed and developed using Merge stack, right? So MongoDB is database and Node.js as a server. We develop the entire APIs using that, and front end is developed using React. So if you have any queries, or at the same time, if you need any entire this source code, or you want to contribute for these Bookshare applications, do write us or do notify us, and we are just a call away, and we are ready to share the entire application, as well as if you want to be a part of as a coder, as an investor, you're always welcome for these entire applications. And like the motive about this all Bookshare is already clear with you. So together we can develop better applications, and we will make ourselves ready for developing industrial applications and enhance our skill sets as well. That's it for a day, guys. Okay, hope you enjoyed the Bookshare applications, the thought process, and the demonstrations from the Team Axiom. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.